Racing just started. We have Tabel. Break quickly at the start. Running by the rail comes Gandang Pinay. Pariao sa El Nino, Queen Maker, then comes Star Quality, Seeing Lorky, Brave Lorky, while Ilocos is the ready trailer by about 10 lengths up the leader and going along for the first turn. We have Tabel by our length up. Gandang Pinay is in second. Alongside third comes Queen Maker and now moving up on the outside, Star Quality comes next, then followed by Brave Lorky, Seeing Lorky alongside, while Locos Magic is still racing and last. Inside the tres octavo, we have Tabel still in control, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Moving up now to take second is El Nino. Gandang Pinay is down on the inside third. Then comes Queen Maker, Star Quality, Brave Lorky, Seeing Lorky, while Elocos Magic is still racing in less. And as they swing for home, we have Tabel via the length, moving up down on the inside now is Gandang Pinay. Last 100 meters, we have Tabel. Gandang Pinay is down on the inside. Tabel, Gandang Pinay, Tabel, and finally it's going to be Gandang Pinay. Close with Tabel, then comes El Nino, Queen Maker.
Gandang pagtatapos.